In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up and get access to your magic link. When you visit plainvanilla.co, hit create a free account. Once you have confirmed your account, please go ahead and fill out the information here. This will help you in the long run so you don't have to fill it out later. Now that you have created your legal entity, it is time to import your templates. Simply pick which freelance agreement you would like to import. Now that your templates are imported, hit your green icon here and click Manage Templates. Here you will see the freelance agreement you imported. Hit the working version. Inside this working version, you can change your hours, your compensation, or terms. When you are happy with all of the changes made to your agreement, hit Save As, overwrite your previous version, and save. And here is where you will find your magic link. Simply click the hat and your contract URL has been copied.